Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Unlock with Burnali, and today we are going to speak about what are those things, the situations and the circumstances which hold us back, which are not letting us achieve what we want in our life. I'm going to begin this topic with yet another interesting story. So there was a farmer, and that farmer had 3 horses. This farmer decided to sell 3 of his horses in a local market. So one Sunday afternoon, he was walking with his 3 horses towards the local market. It was a very hot afternoon. While he was walking, he noticed a river which was so pleasant to the eyes. So he decided to take a dip before he goes to the market. But unluckily, he had only 2 ropes through which he can tie his horses. But he was wondering how to tie the 3rd one. While he was figuring it out, there he saw a very wise man. So he thought of going and speaking to him and taking advice. He went to the wise man and he said, I have got 3 horses as you can see, and I have got only 2 ropes. If I decide to tie 3 of the horses together, it can't be possible and I will not be able to take a dip in the water. What should I do? The wise man told him, why don't you do one thing? You tie the rest of the 2 horses with the ropes that you have and pretend to knot the other horse, the 3rd horse, just by imitating it. He thought that it will never work, but he had no other option than to trust him. So what he did was, he tied 2 horses with the 2 ropes that he had, and with the 3rd one, he just imitated as if he was tying the horse, and he left. While he took the dip, he came out, he surprisingly saw all the 3 horses standing next to each other. He was very happy. He untied both the other horses and started to walk. When he looked back, the 3rd horse was still standing there. So he thought, he went to the horse, he patted him back, he wanted him to come with him, but the horse refused to move an inch. Then he had no other option than to go to the wise man again and ask for his help. So the wise man told him, did you untie the horse, the 3rd horse? He said, of course not, I never tied him, so there is no reason I need to untie him. So the wise man told him, only you know that you have not tied the horse at the first place. The horse doesn't know it. So just go there and imitate as if you are untying him. So he went there as advised. He tried imitating that he was untying the horse, and to his surprise, the horse started walking with him and joined the rest of his 2 friends. So in the story, ladies and gentlemen, what indicates is we are always stuck in our life with our imaginary knots. The fears, the discomforts, the anxiety, the rejections always stops us from achieving what we need and what we want in life. We get so comfortable sitting in the same place thinking that we will do something great in life, but how? That how is not solved unless you do not open up the imaginary ties, the imaginary ropes that you have in your mind. It is so necessary to open the mental blocks in our life. Many a times we get stuck in situations, stuck in circumstances that we do not even realize that we are actually not hensing forward. We are not marching forward. We are stuck because we in our minds keep thinking that these issues that have happened in our life before, or the foreseen that we keep seeing as a challenge, might not be a challenge at all. The moment we remove the mental blocks from our life, it becomes very easy for all of us to achieve success in our life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Much love.